एव्हरीवन. माझं नाव डॉक्टर नम्रता तेंडुलकर आहे आणि मी एक IVF कन्सल्टंट आहे, करंटली अटॅच्ड विथ नोवा IVF ठाणे. आज आपण एका छोट्याशा टॉपिकबद्दल बोलणार आहोत अँड दॅट इज रोल ऑफ टेस्टोस्टेरॉन इन मेल फर्टिलिटी. सो त्या अगोदर पहिले समजून घेऊया व्हॉट इज टेस्टोस्टेरॉन. टेस्टोस्टेरॉन in simple words is a male sex hormone. Basically, it is involved in your muscle and bone mass development. Mug, it is responsible for masculine characters. Then it helps develop your male reproductive organs. Mug, it helps in the production of sperms and of course red blood cells in male. And lastly, it helps regulate your sex drive. So basically, testosterone, it contributes to the overall well-being and virility in men. Let us understand की याचा इम्पॅक्ट फर्टिलिटीवर कसा असतो. सी बेसिकली डायरेक्ट इम्पॅक्ट नसतो. इनडायरेक्टली जर लेवल्स लो असतील सो यू माइट हॅव लो सेक्शुअल ड्राईव्ह, देर माइट बी सम प्रॉब्लेम्स इन इरेक्शन, सो नॅचरल रिलेशन्स ठेवायला प्रॉब्लेम येऊ शकतो विच कॅन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू इनफर्टिलिटी इन मेन. Then of course testosterone is required for sperm production. However, it is not the only hormone required. Along with other hormones, it helps in production of sperms. So the levels low astil, so there is a possibility that you might have low count when you do your semen test. However, not all patients of low testosterone might present with that. But yes, we do see some changes in the count in at least 15 to 20% of patients. So that is the impact testosterone has on fertility and sperm health in general. And now the last part of it, which is the most commonly asked question. सगळे विचारतात मॅम ट्रीटमेंट काय आहे? लो टेस्टोस्टेरॉन लेवल्स कॅन बी ट्रीटेड. So the good news is yes, it can be treated. But for that पहिले you need to meet your doctor. त्यांना तुम्हाला क्लिनिकल एक्झामिनेशन करावं लागेल, हिस्ट्री घ्यावं लागेल, ब्लड टेस्ट असतील काही, आणि ओव्हरऑल तुमचा कॉज समजणं, व्हॉट इज द कॉज फॉर हॅव्हिंग अ लो टेस्टोस्टेरॉन, असेसिंग दॅट कॉज इज इम्पॉर्टंट, आणि ट्रीटमेंट विल बी डायरेक्टेड टू दॅट कॉज, राईट. सो येस, इट इज ट्रीटेबल. If there are lower levels, we sometimes even do hormone replacement therapies as well. However, एक lifestyle changes हा भाग आहे तो most commonly helpful असतो, especially in the second group where the low testosterone levels are basically acquired in nature. So या एज ग्रुपमध्ये किंवा या ग्रुपमध्ये आम्ही नेहमी सांगतो की stop having alcohol or toxins like smoking म्हणा, weed म्हणा, any sort of recreational drugs, stop taking that. Then you need to have a good sleep, so at least 8 to 10 hours of good uninterrupted sleep. Stress management is important. Any form of active exercise is important. Weight management is important. So if you try to take into consideration all this thing, definitely along with that, yes, very importantly, चांगलं diet and then some sort of antioxidants, vitamins. So he combined holistic approach ठेवल्याने definitely we see some improvement over the time. So I think for you to know what is going to work best for you, you should visit your doctor and try to understand more about the cause of low testosterone in your case, and definitely it is possible to treat it. And for more queries, do visit your doctor to understand more about this topic. I hope this short discussion is helpful. Thank you so much.
ABP माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.